Hey guys, welcome back to Two Girls channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to do a really basic stitch, which is almost the simplest stitch you can learn, and it's an essential for embroidery, and this is backstitch. For this example, I'm going to be using 3 strands of embroidery thread, but if you want your stitches to look thicker or thinner, you can use more or less. The more strands you use, the thicker your stitches will be. To do this, I'm going to bring it up from the back and then push my needle back down through the fabric to create a stitch like you would do in your normal running stitch. And now you should just be able to repeat this method over and over again until you finish getting to the end of the line or the point that you've drawn on with your fabric pen. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any other stitch suggestions or video ideas that you'd like me to make tutorials of, or just any other videos, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, just like and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at 2girlschannel, and thanks for watching. Bye!